Okay, this is the second part of that video that I showed you earlier that you may want to look at on how we plumbed in the stuff down there on the T manifold or T fitting there. We don't have the actual capped up where the wire comes out of the electrical conduit yet, so we ran out of the piece that we needed. But you see there, we got the T of the manifold running straight across there like so. And we currently have about 58 pounds of pressure on it. It comes out of the well of the control box. Now we didn't really need another pop-off valve or relief valve because we had one over here, but we already had it plumbed in, so we left it alone. And we do have a one-way check valve in down there at the bottom. Now some of you are going to argue that that check valve should be up higher. Well, that's where I want to put it, and it seems to work for me. We have our pressure switch right there. It's all 1 inch. We got one little small leak right there. I think with this on a pressure relief valve right there, we need to tighten it up. And then it goes into the ground and into the house on that side over there. You can see here, but the other tank has been leaking for quite some time, and the renter didn't let me know that. But we're going to resolve that problem today by putting this Reliance pre-charged 86-gallon tank in there. Now, I know there's going to be a few of you ask me, can you run the water in from either side on this Reliance bladder tank? Yes, you can. You can bring the water from that side, or you can bring the water from the left and go to the right. It doesn't make any difference. Got a bladder internally. It's going to balance out either way. Well guys, thumbs up, like, subscribe. Hope you enjoyed the video. We'll see you in the next time around. Like, and subscribe.